substitute the ordinary cleaning of the coffee grinder on cake. This procedure is the same for all the Lilith coffee grinder. Take your container and place it under the coffee cute. The coffee bean bowl of your coffee grinder must be empty. Pour the content of one single bag of detergent crystal into the bowl. With a Lilith brush, push the crystal into the burns. Start the grinder to grind the entire quantity of detergent crystals. Pour the coffee into the hopper. Grind a dose of coffee, but don't use it. Okay, now the coffee grinder is ready to use. Follow the instruction behind the detergent crystal for more information. Thank you for watching.